Welcome everyone. Today we're taking a deep and detailed look at the 2026 Honda CB Unicorn 169, a motorcycle that continues Honda's legacy of refinement, reliability, and everyday practicality. The Unicorn name has always stood for smooth performance and rider comfort, and the 2026 model builds on that reputation with subtle updates and modern enhancements that make it even more appealing for daily commuters and long-term owners. Let's go through everything this bike offers in detail. Body panel. The 2026 Honda CB Unicorn 169 features clean, solid body panels designed with durability and elegance in mind. The panels are made to withstand daily wear and tear while maintaining a premium finish. Their simple yet refined styling ensures the bike looks mature and timeless, appealing to riders who prefer understated sophistication over flashy design. Fuel tank design. The fuel tank has a muscular yet smooth profile that enhances the bike's road presence. Its ergonomic shape allows the rider to grip the tank comfortably with their knees, improving balance and control. The tank capacity is well suited for long daily commutes, reducing the need for frequent fuel stops. Front fender. The front fender is designed to protect the engine and rider from mud, dust, and water splashes. This improves cleanliness and durability, especially for riders who commute in varied road and weather conditions. Headlight. The headlight provides strong and focused illumination for night riding. Its design ensures wide road coverage, improving visibility and rider confidence after dark. At the same time, it helps make the motorcycle more visible to other road users. Side profile styling. From the side, the CB Unicorn 169 looks well balanced and proportionate. The flowing lines and subtle graphics give it a premium commuter identity, making it suitable for both professional and personal use. Tail light. The tail light is bright and clearly visible, ensuring that braking intentions are easily noticed by vehicles behind. This improves safety during city traffic and highway riding. Seat design. The long, well-padded seat is designed for maximum comfort. It provides excellent support for both the rider and the pillion, making long rides and daily commuting fatigue-free. Riding position. The upright riding posture keeps the rider relaxed and alert. This position reduces strain on the back, shoulders, and wrists, making the bike comfortable even during extended rides. Handlebar setup. The handlebars are positioned for easy reach and natural control. They offer smooth steering response and make maneuvering through traffic effortless. Instrument cluster. The instrument cluster is clear and easy to read, displaying essential information such as speed, fuel level, and warning indicators. Its simple layout ensures the rider gets all necessary data at a glance without distraction. Engine configuration. The 2026 Honda CB Unicorn 169 is powered by a refined single-cylinder engine known for its smoothness and reliability. This engine is tuned for everyday usability, delivering consistent performance across different riding conditions. Power delivery. Power delivery is linear and predictable, making the bike easy to ride in traffic. The smooth throttle response ensures jerk-free acceleration, which is especially useful for new riders and city commuters. Fuel efficiency. Fuel efficiency is one of the strongest advantages of the Unicorn 169. The engine is designed to maximize mileage, helping riders save on fuel costs over the long term. Cooling system. The air-cooled engine design keeps things simple and reliable. It effectively manages engine temperature while reducing maintenance complexity and costs. Transmission. The gearbox is smooth and precise, allowing easy gear changes. This improves riding comfort, especially in stop-and-go city traffic. Frame construction. The strong frame provides excellent stability and balance. It contributes to confident handling and ensures the bike remains stable even when carrying a passenger. Suspension setup. The suspension system is tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps and uneven road surfaces efficiently. This results in a smooth ride on city roads as well as slightly rough rural routes. Braking system. The braking setup offers reliable stopping power with good feedback. It allows the rider to slow down or stop confidently in various traffic situations. Rider stability. The balanced chassis and predictable handling improve overall rider stability. This makes the bike suitable for both beginners and experienced riders. Electrical system. The electrical system is designed for long-term reliability. It supports all essential components while keeping maintenance requirements low. Front lighting system. The front lighting system ensures consistent brightness, improving nighttime visibility and safety. Rear lighting system. The rear lighting system enhances visibility from behind, reducing the risk of rear-end collisions. Indicator lights. Bright and responsive indicator lights help communicate the rider's intentions clearly to other road users, improving overall road safety. Rear grab rail. The sturdy rear grab rail provides additional comfort and safety for the pillion. It also adds a practical touch for everyday use. Utility support. The bike supports basic accessories such as luggage carriers and protective guards, making it adaptable for daily commuting needs. Pricing. The 2026 Honda CB Unicorn 169 is expected to be priced competitively, keeping it accessible to a wide range of riders. Its strong build quality and low running costs make it a great value for money option in the premium commuter segment. Release date. The 2026 Honda CB Unicorn 169 is expected to arrive in dealerships in early to mid-2026, depending on regional availability. 2026 Ducati Panigale V4R availability. For superbike enthusiasts, the 2026 Ducati Panigale V4R is expected to be available in authorized dealerships between March and June 2026, depending on the market. Ending note: the 2026 Honda CB Unicorn 169 continues to deliver what it does best: comfort, reliability, and smooth everyday performance. It's a motorcycle built for riders who value practicality, refinement, and long-term ownership satisfaction. Whether you're commuting daily or riding on weekends, the Unicorn 169 remains a trustworthy and sensible choice. If you enjoyed this detailed breakdown, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next detailed bike review.